I thought we were just 60 footing.
I shouldn't have done that.
What's going on, guys? Greg and Heath from Second Shift down here at Powerhouse Motorsports 8th Mile Track in Florida. Gonna do some testing and tuning on the Grand Sport today. Got the fuel system worked out, got it off the dyno, got it tuned up, and gonna make some test hits, see what we can do. So y'all stay tuned, we'll see what she does.
Heath and Greg and Zach are already there. Some of us had to work this morning. Cody's going to be coming in a little bit behind me. He's going to be bringing the Coyote. So we're finally going to get a baseline on that car, see what it runs. Heath had already ran a 116 trap, so he's kind of teasing us with the time slip. So we made it to the track, and Heath has already made a pass. He ran a 660 something, and he did like a 1660 foot, and he back half to a 116 trap. So it's making power, but the problem is that it's now pushing coolant out, so we're just gonna work on the 60 foot, and probably later in the week we'll probably put some gaskets and studs in it. So, but Cody finally showed up, so we're gonna see what that car finally runs. Are we making predictions?
If it runs a 690 or better, I'll be happy.
Time to get out of this monkey suit because we ain't working. Cody's just out here trying to get some heat in the transmission before he goes out and makes a pass. That's how it spun.
It spun 680 at 109.
Dang.
It's got a little more in her if I can get her to 60 foot right. I might have to do a burnout in second gear and get the tire hotter.
So if you haven't figured out, these are the first times we're taking the car out after all the tunes and modifications. Cody's car we were taking out because he just got it and hasn't run down the track yet. It's not doing too bad. Still spinning off the line, so we're going to drop tire pressure and run it again. But I did wrinkle the wall on it, so Heath had trying to get that clutch tamer dialed in. He ended up cutting like 154 on that pass, so it's getting really close to it. Now the heads are starting to lift, so it's starting to spit cool it out. So we're going to go ahead and just work on 60 foots for the night and maybe run it out a gear and see what we can do with it. But otherwise, then we're just going to just do some hole shots with it, and that's probably it for the vet. Cody, we're going to try to see if we can get it down in like the mid sixes and see if it'll run it out back. So, what are you going to run now?
Hoping for a 675 or better.
What'd you run last time?
687.
How'd it feel?
Great. This should feel better. We'll see how it goes.
Go get it.
We adjusted tire pressure. We'll see how it does.
Just 60 foot.
I shouldn't have done that. I can smell cooling again. What was it, 60?
Oh, I thought we were just 60 foot.
We were, but not.
No, you let them get to you.
I had to.
So what do we got?
Well, 60 wasn't that great. 5'9", 642 at 115.
Hey.
We got a lot left to go. And it was all over the track.
I think I went to drive. I had no gear, would not go in the next
Was it
gear.
still in second after the burnout?
I don't think so, because I went all the way up, reversed, and came back. Unless I had it in third. It was a 1.660.
I figured I couldn't hurt it any worse than
I knew you didn't snap it.
Was the car doing this down the whole track?
Yes, it was.
Because it
Yes,
felt
it was.
like
It was. Yeah.
I just got out of it.
Oh yeah, I knew it was moving around right there.
Dude, it was moving a lot. Like, I've never had to drive a car.
Oh, it was walking. I figured I was like, he's gonna make this the last
I
pass.
felt it like all over.
So Cody's going to give it one more shot, see if he can try to get that 60 foot down. He forgot to shift in the last gear. So he's trying to work on getting that whole shot figured out. So we're trying different things, dropping tire pressures and playing with the RPMs a little bit. But he's going to give it one more shot and see if he can kind of run it out the back. We're hoping for like a 650, 660 area. So far he's run his 680, on his first pass. The last pass was like a 750, so we'll see where it goes from here.
Appreciate it. You got to pedal it, so. 660 at 110. I'll take that. 1.660, so we still need to shave a little. I'm gonna go pull around. It's fun.
You got out of it.
I got out of it, pedaled it, but still ran a 660 at 110.
Holy shit.
Wow.
Hey, y'all, watch
Nice
out.
job.
So how did it go tonight?
It went really well.
Explain.
So, first time out with a car, first time out in a Coyote, first time out in an auto car, first time down a track in 5 or 6 years-ish. The car did really well. I was hoping for a 690. We adjusted some things, had some shifting issues on my part, and got those situated, got some tire pressure down with a 660 and 110, so pretty excited about that. So we get the 60 foot down, and we'll be running 640 soon enough. So I'm excited.
How's it
What's going
going?
on, guys? Car did good tonight. We played with a 60 foot, played with the clutch tamer a little bit, trying to get it set up. Got the car in the 1.5s consistently. Don't have to pull heads. We've got a head that's lifting on the car and it's pushing a little bit of coolant out. But we'll get all that fixed up hopefully for next weekend at Street Car Takeover. But just be looking forward to next weekend seeing some good video out of us. Thanks.